Jen, the numbers are really, frankly, frightening. According to the American Heart Association, cardiovascular disease, including heart disease and stroke, is the leading cause of death in the United States. And ladies, you need to hear this. More than 1 in 3 women, that is 43 million women, are living with cardiovascular disease, and many of them don't even know it.
It is the most common reason that we lose our mothers and grandmothers.
Gerry Gacioch is the chief cardiologist at Rochester Regional Health. He says day after day, people come into the hospital with symptoms that are pointing to heart problems, and they don't even know it.
A lot of times the first symptoms can be very subtle. They can be things that people don't recognize. Maybe they think it's a little indigestion after Christmas cookies.
So what are the symptoms?
We use chest pain sort of generically, so anything that's abnormal in this region, we call it chest pain, but exactly right. A lot of times people describe it as a heartburn, acid kind of feeling, so that certainly could be it. A lot of people describe it as a pressure or a burning.
And when it comes to those heart problems, men and women are not the same.
Often men present with heart troubles in their 40s and 50s, women in their 60s and 70s. Younger people often have more classic symptoms. Older people, just be in tune with your body. If you go out and do a nice half-hour walk and feel good, your heart's doing what it's supposed to. If, on the other hand, you're getting to this short little hill that you always go up and now you're having discomfort or you're having a little shortness of breath, you ought to think, well, is there something going on with my heart?
But no matter your gender or age, there are some simple things you can do to stay on top of your heart health.
First thing is to sort of know your numbers, know your blood pressure, and if your blood pressure is above 140/90, get it treated. Know your cholesterol numbers. Know if you're a diabetic or not.
The doctor added to avoid salty and fatty foods and get active. Doctors want us to be doing physical activity every day for about 30 minutes. For more tips from the American Heart Association, head over to WHEC.com. Live in the newsroom, Amanda Shivari, News 10 NBC.